once or more.
Excellent. So if the dentist is asking you to come more, then by all means, go more often than every 6 months. But the general rule of thumb is to go every 6 months. Remember that the dentist is taking a very close look at your teeth for you. They just want to make sure everything is nice and strong and healthy and that you have a healthy smile. That's very important. How often or how many times a day do you think you should brush your teeth? Jack?
If you only eat like no snacks or anything, you should brush at least maybe 3 or 4 times a day.
Okay. And what do you think, Ryan?
4?
4 times? All right. Adam, did you have a guess too? 4. So it would, in the perfect world, it would be every time you have something to eat or drink if we were able to brush our teeth. But we know that that's not always the case. It's hard when you're not at home all day. So after breakfast in the morning, that's a very important time to brush. So make sure you have your morning breakfast and then brush and floss after that. The second most important time is right before you go to bed at night. Okay, those are the 2 most important times during the day. If you're able to brush more than that, please go right ahead. If you carry a travel toothbrush with you, that's great while you're at school. What's something you can do while you're out during the day and maybe you don't have a toothbrush with you? What's something else you might be able to do? Jack?
Go to a water fountain.
And rinse your mouth out with water? What do you think, Ryan?
Use your finger.
Well, I guess you could, but our fingers might have a lot of germs on them as well. So I think the choice of, make sure you wash your fingers first.
But if you say and you feel it, go to the water fountain, wash it off.
Okay, so let's make sure that probably the best choice without a toothbrush is to rinse some water through your mouth, okay? But always remember those 2 times a day of brushing and flossing. Flossing, actually, once a day is what is good to do, the once a day, and you're, again, welcome to do more than once a day if you'd like, okay? Now, toothbrushes, we're going to talk a little bit about toothbrushes first, okay? Every 3 or 4 months, you really should get a new toothbrush for yourself. And when you buy a toothbrush, you want to make sure you're buying one that has soft bristles. That way, on your teeth and your gums, you're brushing very gently. A lot of people think we're supposed to scrub really hard when we brush our teeth, and you're not. It's just very gentle with a soft toothbrush. And we'll go through that when I go through my models of teeth, okay?